Hello everyone. A little bit of a technology learning curve here. This time it's a little bit more complicated because we're streaming directly on YouTube and Facebook at once. So final little adjustments so that I can give you the best possible experience. Thank you. Thank you for coming, for being part of this very special evening. You know, artists across the globe have had to reinvent themselves, and I'm no different. I've been doing a lot of things online, and that seems to be the future, not only for businesses that are now working remotely. Artists now have to work remotely. Luckily, I have a few concerts coming up, but almost everything got canceled or postponed or rescheduled. Very tough time, very tough time. And wherever you are in the world, I know I have some friends in Argentina, Mexico, Canada, France, all over the place. And that's actually one of the amazingly fine advantages of doing the online, is that I can reach audiences literally throughout the world. And I want to also take this moment to thank all of you for your support throughout my career. The enthusiasm you've shown helps me to continue creating, researching, writing songs, releasing CDs. Oh yes, I forgot. This is a CD release concert. Here's the new one. It's the Best of Gerard Edery, Volume 2. And there's 19 songs, about an hour and 15 minutes of music. And I took it from, my 20 recordings. Took some of my favorites. There's also Best of Gerard Edery, Volume 1. And everything's available on the website for downloads. And anyway, you know how to find me. I'm not hard to find on the web. And everything's available on Amazon and iTunes. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. This way you'll get a heads up on all the music that's coming out. And I'm actually producing more and more music. I've gone back to re-explore my videography, videos that were taken of concerts many, many years ago, and that I had never listened to actually. And they're not bad. So I'm revisiting all of that stuff. I also want to thank two friends who helped me a great deal here, Daniel and Dominique, who have helped me tremendously in setting up this online concert situation. So I think without further ado, is it 8 o'clock yet? It's 8:02. So I think I've talked enough. I decided to put together a program of Latin American and Sephardic songs, which is one of my real specialties. And there is so much great repertoire, and the feeling of many of these songs is very similar, right? El repertorio es muy parecido. El repertorio sefardí y Latinoamérica, de Latinoamérica. So I'm not going to try and speak in all the languages, because I have also a lot of people here in Poland watching me. Podoba mi się bardzo ten repertorio, and I'll get completely confused. So I'm going to stay with English. I'll talk a little bit about each song before I sing. And I want to start with one of my absolute favorites. It's a real Sephardic warhorse, as they say. I've sung this for many, many years, and I've actually gotten many, many requests from all of you to sing this tune. So I'll start the program with Adio Querida, Goodbye My Love, a song from Sarajevo.
Tu madre cuando te parió y te quitó al mundo, corazón ella no te dio para amar segundo. Corazón ella no te dio para amar segundo. Adio, adio querida, no quiero la vida, me la amargaste tú. Adio, adio querida, no quiero la vida, me la amargaste tú. Hermosa sos en cantidad, honestidad no tienes, y 1.000 millones me dará, mi gente no te quiere. Si 1.000 millones me dará, mi gente no te quiere. Adio, adio querida, no quiero la vida, me la amargaste tú. Adio, adio querida, no quiero la vida, me la amargaste tú. Va, búscate otro amor, agarra otras puertas, espera otro ardor, que para mí sos muerta. Espera otro ardor, que para mí sos muerta. Adio, adio querida, no quiero la vida, me la amargaste tú. Adio, adio querida, no quiero la vida, me la amargaste tú.
I just have to check one thing. Okay. So, Adio Querida, one of my very favorites. This next song is a song from Spain, dating back to medieval times, and it's about a young girl. It's called Una tarde de verano, and it's about a young girl who is by a fountain, and the young man comes and says to her, my Moorish lady, please allow my horse to drink. And she allows him to drink, and she says, I am not a Christian. I'm a Moor. I was abducted by Moors on the day of Easter. And he says, well, why don't you come back to Spain with me? You see, he was looking for a wife, so he says, come on back. And she says, what will I do with this wash, this clothing that I must wash? So anyway, they make it back. And as I said, he was looking for a wife. But when they get back to the part of Spain where the Christians were living, northwest, she looks around and recognizes everything, and she says, this is where my father used to come hunting with my little brother Alejandro. And it turns out that this young man is Alejandro. So instead of a wife, he finds his long-lost sister. Very moving, very touching story.
Una tarde de verano pasé por la morrería, vi una morra lavando al pie de una fuente fría. Yo le dije, morra linda, yo le dije, morra bella, deja beber mis caballos de esas aguas cristalinas. No soy mora, caballero, que de España soy nacida, y nada moros, día de Pascua florida. Si queréis venir conmigo, a España te llevaría, y la ropa el caballero, donde yo la dejaría. Al llegar por estos campos, la niña llora y suspira, porque lloras, blanca niña, porque lloras, niña bella. Lloro porque en estos campos mi padre a casar venía con mi hermanito Alejandro y toda su compañía. Abrid puertas y ventanas, balcones y galerías, que por traer una esposa os traigo una hermana mía. Abrid puertas y ventanas, balcones y galerías, que por traer una esposa os traigo una hermana mía.
Here's a song that I've been singing for a long time, which I love very much. It's on the CD, actually. So is this last one. And actually, these first three are all on the CD. This is Linda Amiga. It's interesting. A lot of people think that this is a Sephardic song, and I even, because I recorded it a long time ago on an early CD, and I ended up finding it in a Velvel Pasternak anthology listed as a Sephardic song, but it's actually a song attributed to Luis Milan in Spain, I think in 1600s. Don't remember the date exactly. But Linda Amiga, beautiful friend. There is no love as the love, no pain as the love, the pain of love.
Ay, linda amiga, si no puedo verte, cuerpo garrido que me lleva a la muerte. No hay amor sin pena, pena sin dolor, ni dolor tan agudo como el del amor. No hay amor sin pena, pena sin dolor, ni dolor tan agudo como el del amor. Levantéme, madre, al salir del sol. Fui por los campos verdes a buscar mi amor. Ay, linda amiga, si no puedo verte, cuerpo garrido que me lleva a la muerte. No hay amor sin pena, pena sin dolor, ni dolor tan agudo como el del amor. No hay amor sin pena, pena sin dolor, ni dolor tan agudo como el del amor.
The next song, very, very special. We'll digress for now into the Latin American repertoire. And two of my absolute favorite composers, Atahualpa Yupanqui and Ariel Ramirez. Ariel Ramirez wrote such magnificent music. He wrote the Creole Mass. He set the whole Latin Mass to folk rhythms, including chacareras and bailecitos, and it's a wonderful, wonderful piece. But he also wrote some gorgeous pieces for piano and voice. He was a classical composer. And so I did this arrangement of Alfonsina y el Mar. It's a very, very beautiful song about a journalist, poet that was very famous at the turn of the 20th century. And she was diagnosed with a terminal illness, and she decided to commit suicide by walking into the sea. So this song has become very, very well known in Argentina in particular, and I share it with you now. One more time.
por la blanda arena que lame el mar.
Su pequeña huella no vuelve más.
Un sendero solo de pena y silencio llegó hasta el agua profunda. Un sendero solo de penas mudas llegó hasta la espuma. Sabe Dios qué angustia te acompañó, qué dolores viejos cayó tu voz, para recostarte arrullada en el canto de las caracolas marinas, la canción que canta en el fondo oscuro del mar, la caracola. Te vas, Alfonsina, con tu soledad, ¿qué poemas nuevos fuiste a buscar? Una voz antigua de viento y de sal te le quiebra el alma y la está llevando, y te vas hacia allá como en sueño, dormida Alfonsina, vestida de mar.
Cinco serenitas te llevarán por caminos de algas y de coral, y fosforescentes caballos marinos harán una ronda a tu lado, y los habitantes del agua van a jugar pronto a tu lado. Bájame la lámpara un poco más, déjame que duerma nodriza en paz. Y si llama a él, no le digas que estoy, dile que Alfonsina no vuelve. Y si llama a él, no le digas nunca que estoy, di que me iba. Te vas, Alfonsina, con tu soledad, ¿qué poemas nuevos fuiste a buscar? Una voz antigua de viento y de sal te le quiebra el alma y te está llevando, y te vas hacia allá como un sueño, dormida Alfonsina, vestida de mar. Una canción muy triste, pero hermosa como, no sé, cada vez que la canto me siento muy, muy emocionado. I feel very, very emotional every time I sing that song. Beautiful, beautiful. He really wrote some music. It's a song that was made famous by Mercedes Sosa. There are piano arrangements that are very beautiful. Here's a very different feeling. Mi Buenos Aires querido, an ode to Buenos Aires, made famous by the great tango singer Carlos Gardel. My grandfather Jose used to listen to these tangos. It was, and always crying, you know, smoking his little cigarette, drinking his little whiskey, and always had a very easy tear for this material. So every time I sing it, I think of him, and I miss him. So here's Mi Buenos Aires querido.
Buenos Aires querido, cuando yo te vuelva a ver, no habrá más penas ni olvido. El farolito de la calle en que nací fue el centinela de mis promesas de amor. Bajo su quieta lucecita yo la vi, a mi pebeta luminosa como un sol. Hoy que la suerte quiere que te vuelva a ver, ciudad porteña de mi único querer, oigo la queja de un bandoneón. Dentro mi pecho pide rienda el corazón. Mi Buenos Aires, tierra florida, donde mi vida terminaré. Bajo tu amparo no hay desengaños, vuelan los años, se olvida el dolor. En caravana los recuerdos pasan por una estrella dulce de emoción. Quiero que sepas que al evocarte se van las penas del corazón. Las ventanitas de mis calles de arrabal, donde sonríe una muchachita en flor. Quiero de nuevo yo volver a contemplar aquellos ojos que acarician al mirar. En la cortada más maleva una canción dice su ruego de coraje y de pasión. Una promesa y un suspirar borra una lágrima de pena que el cantar. Mi Buenos Aires, tierra florida, donde mi vida terminaré. Bajo tu amparo no hay desengaños, vuelan los años, se olvida el dolor. En caravana los recuerdos pasan por una estela dulce de emoción. Quiero que sepas que al evocarte se van las penas del corazón. Mi Buenos Aires querido, cuando yo te vuelvo a ver, no habrá más penas ni olvido. I have to say, it does feel a little strange to be doing basically a full program that I would do for many, many people in a concert hall, to do it in my studio and imagining you all listening, hoping you're enjoying it. And there's an intimacy, certainly, to the online rapport. But as an artist, I can't take the time to read the comments. I just get into a headspace, and I have to say, it takes a lot of concentration, a lot of inner discipline to do it. But I need to do it, and as artists everywhere are trying to find new ways to continue expressing themselves and keeping their art alive. So this is my way, and I think every concert I'll get a little better with the technology, and hopefully it just will get better and better. Here's a song that almost needs no introduction, another tango by Carlos Gardel called Volver.
And this is my arrangement to this famous, famous song.
Adivino el parpadeo de las luces que a lo lejos van marcando mi retorno. Son las mismas que alumbraron con sus pálidos reflejos hondas horas de dolor. Y aunque no quise el regreso, siempre se vuelve al primer amor. La vieja calle donde el eco dijo: tuya es su vida, tuyo es su querer. Bajo el burlón mirar de las estrellas que con indiferencia hoy me ven volver. Con la frente marchita, las nieves del tiempo platearon mi cielo. Sentir que es un soplo la vida, que 20 años no es nada, que febril la mirada, errante en la sombra, te busca y te nombra. Vivir con el alma aferrada a un dulce recuerdo que lloro otra vez. Tengo miedo del encuentro con el pasado que vuelva a enfrentarse con mi vida. Tengo miedo de las noches que pobladas de recuerdos encadenen mi soñar. Pero el viajero que huye, tarde o temprano detiene su andar. Y aunque el olvido que todo destruye haya matado mi vieja ilusión, guardo escondido una esperanza humilde que es toda la fortuna de mi corazón. Volver con la frente marchita, las nieves del tiempo platearon mi cielo. Sentir que es un soplo la vida, que 20 años no es nada, que febril la mirada, errante en la sombra, te busca y te nombra. Vivir con el alma aferrada a un dulce recuerdo que lloro otra vez.
I'm so happy with this new guitar. I'll tell you, take a moment while I rest in between songs. This guitar is a Hermano Conde guitar from Spain. Very, very famous make that's been played by great flamenco players all over the world. And it's a flamenca negra with a darker, deeper, richer sound than the flamenca blanca, which is the other guitar I've been playing, which has a brighter, more metallic sound. So years ago, I had almost this exact same guitar. And I was talked into selling it. And this is maybe 8-9 years ago. And ever since, I've been like missing it like crazy. And so I found this guitar at a place called Vintage Guitars in Berlin. Bought it online, first time ever. And it's even better than the one I used to have. So I'm thrilled. Here's another song by Ariel Ramirez called Volveré siempre a San Juan.
Por las tardes de sol y Alameda San Juan se me vuelve tonada en la voz, y las diurnas acequias reparten el grillo de mi corazón, y las diurnas acequias reparten el grillo de mi corazón. Yo que vuelvo de tantas ausencias y en cada distancia me espera un adiós. Soy guitarra que sueña la luna labriega de Uyuni al varón. Soy guitarra que suena la luna labriega de Uyuni al varón. Volveré, volveré tarde San Juan, cuando junto el otoño melescas de soles allá en el Pará. Volveré siempre a San Juan a cantar. Poniente de largos sausales me busca la zampa para recordar esas viejas leyendas de piedra y silencio que guarda el tontal. Esas viejas leyendas de piedra y silencio que guarda el tontal. Alta sombra de polvo y camino madura del vino de mi soledad. Cuando el sol sanjuanino como un viejo amigo me sale a encontrar. Como el sol sanjuanino como un viejo amigo me sale a encontrar. Volveré, volveré tardes San Juan, cuando junto el otoño melescas de soles allá en el Pará. Volveré siempre a San Juan a cantar.
Some of these songs are about places, and even though I've traveled a great deal in my life, I have not traveled to many of these places. And so when I sing them, I imagine what must San Juan look like and be like. And I would love to go to Argentina. Hopefully when this pandemic is over, we can all begin to travel again. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy. It's a very difficult time. But Argentina is a place that I very much long to go to. It's where my grandfather was born. It's where my love of Latin American music began, with the two main inspirations that I told you about, Yupanqui being a huge inspiration. So, a very different song now. One of the favorites of my grandfather Jose, called Tomo y Obligo. And I gotta put a capo on this one. See how much brighter this guitar is? It's really easier for all the rasgueados. The strumming patterns are easier on a blanca. So here we are.
Tomo y obligo, mándese un trago, que hoy necesito el recuerdo matar. Sin un amigo lejos del pago, quiero en su pecho mi pena volcar. Beba conmigo y si se empaña, de vez en cuando mi voz al cantar, no es que la llore, porque me engaño que un hombre macho no debe llorar. Si los pastos conversaran, esa pampa le diría de qué modo la querría, con qué fiebre la amé. Tantas veces de rodillas tembloroso yo me encado bajo el árbol deshojado donde un día la besé. Y hoy en verla envilecida, otros brazos entregada, fue pa' mí una puñalada y de celos me cegué. Y le juro todavía, no consigo convencerme, cómo pude contenerme, ya y no más no la maté. Tomo y obligo, mándese un trago, de las mujeres mejor no hay que hablar. Todas amigos dan muy mal pago, y hoy mi experiencia lo puede afirmar. Siga un consejo, no se enamore, y si una vuelta le toca hocicar, fuerza canejo, sufre, no llore, que un hombre macho no debe llorar. Si los pastos conversaran, esa pampa le diría de qué modo la querría, con qué fiebre la amé. Tantas veces de rodillas tembloroso yo me encaro bajo el árbol deshojado donde un día la besé. Y hoy en verla envilecida, otros brazos entregada, fue para mí una puñalada y de celos me cegué. Y le juro todavía, no consigo convencerme, cómo pude contenerme, ya y no más no la maté.
Tomo y obligo. Not a lot of nice things to say about women. The singer, the poet, is saying it has been heartbroken, and he says a macho, un hombre macho no debe llorar. A macho man must never cry. So even though you're suffering, suck it up, suck it up, baby, don't cry. And he says, we better not talk about women. They're all trouble. And if ever you get hooked up with one and you fall deeply in love, sufre no llore, suffer, but don't cry. Remember, this is last generation where men crying were, weak, considered weak. One of my favorite songs now, called by Carlos Almaran. He hasn't written that many songs, but this is the one that has made him famous. Historia De Amor.
No estás más a mi lado, corazón. En el alma solo tengo soledad. Y si ya no puedo verte, porque Dios me hizo quererte para hacerme sufrir más. Siempre fuiste la razón de mi existir. Adorarte para mí fue religión. Y en tus brazos yo encontraba el calor que me brindaba el amor y la pasión. Es la historia de un amor como no hay otro igual, que me hizo comprender todo el bien, todo el mal, que le dio luz a mi vida, apagándola después. ¡Ah, qué vida tan oscura! Sin tu amor no viviré. Es la historia de un amor como no hay otro igual, que me hizo comprender todo el bien, todo el mal, que le dio luz a mi vida, apagándola después. ¡Ah, qué vida tan oscura! Sin tu amor no viviré. No estás más a mi lado, corazón. En el alma solo tengo soledad. Y si ya no puedo verte, porque Dios me hizo quererte para hacerme sufrir más. Es la historia de un amor como no hay otro igual, que me hizo comprender todo el bien, todo el mal, que le dio luz a mi vida, apagándola después. ¡Ah, qué vida tan oscura! Sin tu amor no viviré. Es la historia de un amor. I have the windows closed, so it's getting very hot. Because I was hearing a lot of traffic before, but give me 1 second. I'm going to go open a window because otherwise I'll pass out. And if it gets really too noisy, we'll close it again. Okay. It is summer here. The next song is a milonga by Atahualpa Yupanqui. So this is repertoire that really moves me. And I had the good fortune of singing his songs for him the year before he died. It was 1992. And he did a final concert at Carnegie Hall. And the night before, there was an evening organized, a dinner in his honor by the Argentinian community in New York City. So I sang his songs for him, and I was, we're talking 20, 30 years ago now. And I was so nervous to sing the songs of my idol to my idol. But it turned out he was such a wonderful man, so simple, so humble,
so deep. He almost never performed with anyone. He was just a man with his guitar, and he had a beautiful voice and very mellifluous when he spoke, when he declaimed in Spanish. And it was as fascinating to hear him declaim this poetry as it was to hear him play and sing. So here's Guitarra, dímelo tú. Guitar, tell me. I spend the night spending the night by myself, but my guitar always keeps me company. Pregunto al mundo, el mundo me ha de engañar. Si yo le pregunto al mundo, el mundo me ha de engañar. Cada cual cree que no cambia y que cambian los demás. Y paso las madrugadas buscando un rayo de luz, porque la noche es tan larga. Guitarra, dímelo tú. Se vuelve cruda mentira lo que fue tierna verdad. Se vuelve cruda mentira lo que fue tierna verdad, y hasta la tierra fecunda se convierte en arenal. Y paso las madrugadas buscando un rayo de luz, porque la noche es tan larga. Guitarra, dímelo tú. Porque la noche es tan larga. Guitarra, dímelo tú. Son dioses muertos de un templo ya derrumba. Los hombres son dioses muertos de un templo ya derrumbado. Ni sus sueños se salvaron, solo una sombra quedó. Y pasó las madrugadas buscando un rayo de luz, porque la noche es tan larga. Guitarra, dímelo tú. Porque la noche es tan larga. Guitarra, dímelo
dímelo tú. Yupanqui wrote many, many beautiful chacareras, which I have to say, probably my favorite of his compositions are based on this chacarera rhythm, an Argentinian dance rhythm of the gauchos. And this is one, La Olvidada, the forgotten one. And he talks about los paisanos de la Pampa, the peasants of the Pampa. Y quisiera ser arbolito, ni muy grande ni muy chico, para darle poco de sombra a los cansados del camino. I wish to be a tree, neither too big nor too small, just enough to give shade to the passers-by, to the ones who are weary. Ahora vamos. Esa chacarera, venando los arenales, por un criollo baranqueño que no hay verlo soñar. Mi negra se me lo ha ido, palau de chica Juliana, ay vidita y nadie sabe la que pasaré mañana. Se me lo ha ido, palau de chica Juliana, ay vidita y nadie sabe la que pasaré mañana. Ya me voy, ya me estoy yendo, hasta Suma y Salavinas, tal vez que ya nunca vuelva y contemplar tus salinas. Se me lo ha ido, palau de chica Juliana, se ha llevado bombo, sulquilaba majuana. Quisiera ser arbolito, ni muy grande ni muy chico, para dar un poco de sombra a lo cansado del camino. Ya me voy, ya me estoy yendo, a Suma y Salavinas, tal vez que ya nunca vuelva y contemplar tus harinas. Barangastiera querida, te dejo esa chacarera, mi vida y matonca y quien se va campo afuera.
As many of you probably know, I'm based in Warsaw, Poland for the last 4 years. And I have to say, I miss my friends and my family tremendously since I haven't been able to fly for almost a year now since I've been there, but we weren't allowed to fly since March when I was going to go back. So that part is difficult, but I mean, not just for me, for everyone who is separated and who can't fly so easily anymore. Tough. Here's a song that's not strictly speaking part of the Latin American or Sephardic repertoire, but it's a tanguillos from Spain. And I wanted to include one song from Spain. It's more of a very old dance form, just to show the similarities, that there's a lot of strumming, a lot of rasgueados. So here's a tanguillos.
Ya que el baile de la abuela que tanto aroma dieron que habla, con su célebre meneito la cadera movida, mientras tocaban otro talón con mucho y arte y compás, mientras ante el barrio ya se bailaba a la gran madre tierra y todo el mundo la veneraba en el alto del monte o al lado del mar, en lo hondo la cueva baila y canta. Es que estos bailes vienen de muy antiguo, desde doble tardeció y de los fenicios, baile religioso de fertilidad, que ya se bailaba en la antigüedad. Así que el meneíto acá había llegado, desde los tiempos prehistóricos aquí había llegado, era la pela de Gabe, famoso por todo el imperio. Iban a bailar a Roma y se traían muchos estesios. Era el baile de la Puebla gaditana. Era el baile de la Puebla gaditana. De Alejandría para llevarse la niña a bailar a la ciudad. Empiezo con concurso y audiciones, solo la flor y la nata era bailar y de los senadores. No vea la que armó a la ciudad, que todita la niña tan disloca, toda madre quiere que sean sus hijos, a que vayan a Roma y se hagan patricia. Del templo de Venus salió una novicia que quiere ser artista, sacerdotista. Así que el meneíto acá le había llegado, desde un tiempo prehistórico aquí habrá arraigado. Era la Puebla de Gabe, famoso por todo el imperio. Iban a bailar a Roma y se traían muchos estesios. Era el baile de la Puebla gaditana. Era el baile de la Puebla gaditana. Era el baile de la Puebla gaditana. ¡Ole!
been singing that song for several years, and in the States, I was very fortunate to work with some fantastic musicians and dancers, and one in particular, Barbara Martinez. Hello, Barbara, if you're tuning in. And she did a fantastic dance to this song. So it's a lot of fun. I had a program called Flamenco Sephardic, where I took a lot of Sephardic songs and gave them flamenco rhythms, like tangos and alegrias. And this was one that was part of the show. So now, to do the last few pieces, Sephardic origin. One is from Sofia, Bulgaria. This is called Una noche al borde de la mar. And again, a song about unrequited love, about a man who is deeply in love and suffering for love, and by the seashore. Una noche al borde de la mar, cuando yo empecé a amar una niña con ojos pretos, sin poderlo declarar. Sos criatura, no hay mancura, bate en otros brazos, tú mi querida, sincera mía. Dame una esperanza de amor, sin ti no puedo vivir, día noche rogo al Dios, pero él se me engañó. Sos criatura, no hay mancura, bate en otros brazos, tú mi querida, sincera mía. Such a sad song. Just realized as I was singing, I thought, oh, I hope you guys aren't like going into a deep funk with this tune. It's true that some of the Sephardic songs are very sad, very romantic, and people express their sadness as well as their joy through music. And I remember when I was first starting out doing Sephardic concerts after my opera career, I approached several concert series, and they would say, yes, but Sephardic music is so sad and so mournful. And so I quickly began investigating the repertoire that's much more upbeat. So here's my saz. And I'd like to finish this program with this instrument. It's a long-necked sort of lute with steel strings. Played a lot in Turkey, Iran.
Puncia la rosa huele e l'amor mucho duele. Tu non naciste para mí, presto aléjate de mí. Acódrate de aquella hora que yo te besaba la boca. Aquella hora ya pasó, dolor quedó al corazón. Si otra vez me quieres ver, sale afuera, te hablaré. Echa los ojos a la mar, ahí me puedes encontrar. Puncia la rosa huele e l'amor mucho duele. Tu non naciste para mí, presto aléjate de mí, presto aléjate de mí. Presto aléjate de mí. Song from Egypt, a little bit more upbeat. Fel Shara Kanet Betit Masha, song in many different languages. The story goes that there were probably a lot of sailors at the port of Alexandria. I got this story from a friend, Isabel Gantz, with whom I actually began working on a lot of Sephardic repertoire. And she's a wonderful source and great musician, and had a group called Alhambra, where I met George Mergadician, with whom I played for many, many years. Fantastic oud player. But anyway, I'm digressing, but her take on it was that every sailor at the port sitting around the cafe was interjecting his own verse. So you have many, many different languages. The gist of it is that the young man loves the girl, he chases the girl, she takes the umbrella and bops him on the head. That's it. That's the song. Canat Betit Masha, la signorina aux yeux noirs. Fel Shara Canat Betit Masha, la signorina aux yeux noirs. Come la luna che la sua faccia, chi è che le loro facia qui éclairait le boulevard. Harshata met me because her father was a laggard. Volevo parla Harshata met me because her father was a laggard. E con su ombrella da Betty repoussamos bonsoir. Con su ombrella da Betty repoussamos bonsoir. Tutta la notte achlabiti et même jusqu'au lever du jour. And every morning Astanati pour le de notre amour. And every morning Astanati pour le de notre amour. E sciarracanat mette mascia la signorina au suo noir. Come la luna était la sua faccia qui éclairait le boulevard. Come la luna était la sua faccia qui éclairait le boulevard. So, thank you all for watching, for being a part of my second online concert, and to share this music is a privilege, an honor. And I want to leave you with one last song called La Comida La Mañana. And a lot of these tunes that you've heard are on the CD. Again, to remind those who are just joining, Best of Gerard Edery, 19 songs, an hour and 15 minutes, culled from 20 of my recordings. And my whole discography is just go visit the website, gerardedery.com, subscribe to YouTube channel, and send me a friend request. And like I said, online is where it's at for artists these days, and we have to make the best of it and move forward with enthusiasm, optimism, knowing that better days are ahead. For sure, better days are ahead. The best days are ahead. This is how I have to think, or else it's a pretty sad world. So, what I was going to say is on the album, the arrangements are obviously very different. They're studio, most of them are studio cuts, though some are from live performances, but with 5, 6, 7 musicians. And so this is just to give you a taste of what the songs can be. So here's a song in 7/8 from the Balkans called La Comida La Mañana. And La Comida La Mañana, food in the morning. This young girl brings breakfast to her lover, and the mother objects that she's too young for love.
La mañana la tendré, la traigo atrás. La comida la mañana la tendré, la traigo atrás. Lo sepa la mi madre que yo quiero te esposar. Que lo sepa la mi madre que yo quiero te esposar. Otra hora en el balcón, una hora en la ventana, otra hora en el balcón. Que lo sepa la mi madre que yo tengo mucho amor. Que lo sepa la mi madre que yo tengo mucho amor.
se burle la mi madre, no se burle del amor, no se burle la mi madre, no se burle del amor. Ella cuando éramos hizo amor con mi Señor, ella cuando éramos hizo amor con mi Señor. Yo lo hice la mi hija, yo lo hice con amor, yo lo hice la mi hija, yo lo hice con amor. No son como los de agora que dejan con la dolor, no son como los de agora que dejan con la dolor. La comida a la mañana, la tarde la traigo atrás. La comida a la mañana, la tarde la traigo atrás. Que lo sepa la mi madre que yo quiero te esposar. Que lo sepa la mi madre que yo quiero te esposar.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you. I will stay online to answer any questions you may have. So if you want to, like I said, I haven't seen your messages, but I will be here. I'll be responding. I'm going to try and make this work. I'm going to be responding verbally and responding to your comments, however many I can get to. So I'm going to move seats, go to my other laptop where I can get Facebook, log into Facebook, and then I will read all your messages and answer questions accordingly. Okay, I think I'm going to make this work. I have to adjust this so you can see me. Okay. And now I've got my laptop, and I will log into Facebook. And I think I need to go to Messenger. Yes, Messenger. Okay. Okay, so notifications, sent a message. Here come the messages. Facebook comments. Okay, so here's a comment from Joy Krauthammer, my dear friend from Los Angeles. Hello, Joy. It's so nice to see you online. I miss you. I miss my friends in the United States, and I so wish that I could be there, but hopefully soon. So thank you so much. Onelia, gracias por tu apoyo. Y es un placer tener una amiga como usted. Y espero que en vivo te daré un lindo concierto en las Pampas de Argentina. Okay. Super, super. Thank you, Nancy Feldman. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Anna from Radom. Piękny koncert. Dziękuję. She's a fan that drives all the way to Warsaw to hear me, and it's really such a pleasure to see her all the time. Okay. having trouble getting all these messages at once. Let's see here. Some questions on YouTube. Okay. All right. Okay, my friends. I'm going a little crazy trying to read everything at once. So, again, many thanks. And look for the next concert coming up probably in 3-4 weeks. And I'm planning a Black Lives Matter, all African American spirituals. I'm going to call the program Robeson Revisited, which is the repertoire of the great bass Paul Robeson. All right, everybody.